Hello everyone, my name is Kanai Banti and I'm going to show you on how to use IDM downloader for a lifetime just by using a single serial key. Let me go ahead and try to download this video from YouTube. When I click on this link in order to download, then this pop-up will be shown. Now just I insert a meaningless informations, but here you have to use this serial key. You can screenshot it and save it for yourself. Then before clicking OK, you have to come here and disconnect your PC from the network. Okay, just wait. Once you disconnect it, you can now click OK. Then you can start to open this application. Before turning on the network, remember this application must be open. Once you click on it, you can turn on. Here we go, we can download it now. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. This is just a pop-up windows. You can simply close them or drag them down. Okay, like this, you can drag them down. And this window, remember, this main IDM main window should not be closed. Just minimize it. Okay, now you can download any type of video from any website. Okay, this artwork is pretty simple.